That's a nice selection of patio umbrellas. Oh. You ever price these things at the store? You ever priced one at Mr. Scrappity's House of Surplus Curbside Goods? Scoop. What's that? It's a gate. We'll take a gate. What about some flower pots? We'll do a condition check. Yeah. Well, the big one seems a little busted up. Mix these guys into a lot. Little rocking chair over there, but just from passing, it looked pretty shabby. What is that? Is that wood? Is that metal? What is it? What is that? What is that? It's like a suitcase you ride. Maybe. Empty box. Empty box. It's wood, but I don't know. Do something with an easel. Might be able to ease it on down the road. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? That's a bike. And a tub. That's a dirty tub. What's in the dirty tub? Garbage. If they had a can to spill it in, I'd spill the garbage and take the tub. But I don't want the garbage. And they don't have a can. But they had a bike, so we'll take that. stand it up when it becomes a necessity. Scoop. What's that? That's an old workbench. Oh, leave that piece. It's something. How taken apart is that? Also, what is that? Why does it look like a cannonball? What is that? Oh my god. Is that a mill ball? Oh, Jesus. Hey, stay up here. Thing will roll 3 blocks down the street. God. Ladies. That's going to be very annoying. It's going to roll all over the place, you know? Because it's a ball. Hey, we can take these pieces. Yeah. In the boogie. Since it's hooked to a French wagon, technically, is it a bug egg? Today's theme is going to be umbrellas. Oh, and a golf club. In the wagon. Those are the good ones. You might as well just be throwing out money. Mr. Scrappity will take your tomato money. We should have probably called housekeeping before now. That's a wooden one, so we're gonna leave it, but it does go with today's theme. It's the Vizio. Vizio. Yeah, I can take it. I can't leave my kids in the car, but if you can get it out here, I can take it. Okay, thank you. I don't have any kids in the car today, but I just didn't want to go into his house. A big metal bed. That's what he says here. We can do a little housekeeping while we're stopped, I reckon. Better than it was, I guess. We'll wait for just a second and then we're going to have to dip out on him. So, hope he can be quick. You guys start timing him. Get run over by a bicycler.
you take glass meters?
Mostly just metal stuff's what I'm after.
Metal? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll help you with this.
I should be able to get it.
Will you?
Yeah. I definitely appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Trundle bed. What's that? We should be able to do something with something like that. It's got wheels on it. They don't work worth a shit, but it's got wheels on it. Could probably use a little coat of paint. Can of paint be cheaper than buying a whole new cage though. Man, my right arm. Should have let him help me. He offered, but I was like, no, I'm a big idiot. I can do it myself. Now my arm hurts. What's that? And that's awkward. I do believe that is for one of those goofy swings, isn't it? Ah, a Firepot too. We like Firepots. Something. Scooter. Bread. I mean, when you call a theme and that's what you call and that's the theme, it's like, well, apparently me and the rest of the world were on the same social wavelength or whatever, some crazy weird shit like that. Everybody was all like, yeah, he wants to scoop umbrellas all night. Ooh, this comes apart too. Well, we don't need all of it, do we? Let's see. You can have that. And that. And that. And that. Mr. Scrappity will take this bit. And we'll take the umbrella bit. These big boogers are awkward and heavy. That might help. Better than we found it. Dumb. It's a cooker. We'll take a cooker. Something. In the buggy. What's that? Kind of makes you wonder what's in the big can. There's some scattered bits there. Makes me think we missed out on some stuff. But you never know. But I'm just saying, there's a little chunk of brass laying there. Guess we'll take our brass chunk. And a few computer bits here. It's starting to rain. Scooter. I think he's a top dash. Grab a hold of the damn thing. Part of it's in the buggy. Part of it was hanging out of the buggy. It's trying to stop raining. Maybe it's trying to start raining. I don't know. Either way. If you know, you know. something. What is that? Something. Scoop. What is that? What is that? What does that say? Free. Okay. You had me at, I left my bicycle at the side of the road, but the free thing just completely convinced me. Anyway. A rather narrow little street. Holy shit. It's the biggest, oh my god, that's the biggest rubber chicken I've ever seen. Now who's gonna enjoy that more? The kids or the dogs? Okie dokie. On a hill. Yeah, slipping and sliding on a hill. There we go. Good enough. Nothing else? Alrighty. Scooch. Yeah.
I'm waiting to
Shaw. Shaw, 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 shaw. I guess if we would have been kicking and karate chopping on people's garbage cans, we might. Yes, it is. We might could have done a little better than that, but anyway, the point is, these dudes was up here on the trampoline earlier, and the littlest guy had this cardboard box over there, and he was a whomping on the bigger dude with it, and all I could think about was, do you think I could get you to autograph my hat? I'm just saying. If you know, you know. Anyway, we got a critter cage, a rusty one, but I bet we can do something with it, and a piece of bread. And some sort of a swingy type, that's one of them egg swing container contraption carrier type things, isn't it? I bet it is. Anyway, and about 14 umbrellas, and that thing, and a scooter, and then a water tank, and a stovetop, and a...
What did you say?
Nothing. I was just looking at all the junk. Be careful climbing up there, young sir. Anyway, chicken check. And he's all like, leave the chickens alone. It's like, I ain't doing nothing to the chickens. I'm just looking at them. Hi, Daddy Bird.
Get back off now.
Can I see him real quick? Like, stick my camera up there. Oh, no. He is not happy. He's all like, you may not stick your camera up there at my babies. Let's do it real quick. Whoa. No, let's not do it real quick.
What?
He's not happy. He doesn't like me looking at his babies.
The babies are cute.
Oh, look, baby chickens. Baby chickens. Ah! Sorry, sir. I was just having a peek. He's not happy. I'm going to go away now. That's the daddy's the bright red one. The mommy's the not so bright red one.
I know.
Anyway, okay. Look, it's Darth Satan or something like that. Anyway. I bought 6. 6 came up. Got 100% germination rates if you're keeping up with the numbers. But I'm not really one that keeps up with the numbers, you know. Anyway, who keeps up with the numbers? Unless we're on episode 987, you know, then we're in this number. Anyway. Yeah. I thought it said Carolina feeder. It's a cardinal feeder. Guess who's, see, cardinal. Guess who's got cardinals? Anyway, ain't got no birdseed in it though. Hey, Mr. Scrappy will throw the PayPal tip jar type action in here, and if you would like to purchase a bag of birdseed for the cardinal feeder, I'll go buy a bag of birdseed. I ain't got the money for it, but if y'all want to buy a bag of birdseed for the birds, I'll go pick it up. We'll fill this one up, stick it out there. But if you guys don't, that's cool too. You guys just don't like cardinals. Don't feel obligated. But yeah, so I got this little bit of stuff over here. Sorry, one of them channels that makes you look at the ground. You don't gotta look at the ground. You can look at whatever you want to look at. You can even look at me, but I wouldn't suggest it. Anyway, we got some compressors. Little thin slices of cash cakes there. A tub of wire. I got a bunch of these pool cleaner dudes. I got another one over there. That's wire, in case you didn't know. See, it's wire. There's copper in that there wire, Mr. Scrappity. Yes. And I got these guys. The last ones we picked up from that pool house, I chopped up for clean extrusion. But those guys I'm just going to send with the shitty sheet pile. And we got some stainless and a pinch of copper and a pinch of brass and some cast. And anyway, I'll take this out in the morning, and we'll take this out in the morning. And still got a little bit of garbage left out of that one locker to get rid of here. I don't know. And this damn pedestal sink, in the past they have went places. This one just keeps sitting here. But yeah, so that's that. That was Thursday, in case you're wondering what that is. Anyway, why is this over here? This isn't a good place for this to be laying. One of you numbskulls will walk right into it. Got a fairly good shovel selection going there, you know. Now, if you used to go to the store and you used to purchase this tulip planting shovel and a regular spade and 2 snow shovels, a couple of push-em-up brooms, one of them being a better brand, a tamper, a fold-em-up rake, or is this a spade? Which one's a spade? I don't know. That's a flat. I got 2 scoopy shovels. You know what I'm talking about? You're talking what, like $14, $24, $40 a piece? That's That's $200 worth of shoveling equipment there. You can pick it up for a lot cheaper at Mr. Scrappity's House of Surplus Curbside Goods or something like that. Anyway. You're going to piss on it, aren't you? Don't piss on it. Yeah. Need the moo-moo? And the moo-moo to boo-boo? What? What? Don't go getting all excited now. We'll have to lock you upstairs. I live in a single story. Anyway.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?